25th of April 2023. I'm here in Borneo and we're here to watch the orangutans getting fed, and they're right in back of me, so I'm going to turn around, but the sun's going to be in the lens so you may not be able to see it here. I'm going to try to get over in a shady spot, but it's right over there. I don't know if you can see one's down there and the other one's up there, and somewhere over there there's one in the trees, but you got the sun in the lens there, so it's hard to see. Okay. He's right over there. You can see him. Pretty far away for the camera. I'll have to digitally zoom in later. I'll try to get pictures too. There's one right by the road here. Here we are in Borneo, 2023, and here is the orangutan eating the bananas hanging off of a tree. Look at that, is that too cool or what? How close he is. I'm going to toss another one maybe. There's a ranger down there. Almost never get close to this.
He's handsome. Look at him.
Wow.